What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's sunny and 75 here in Missouri. Obviously it's not. It's freaking snowing, sleeting, icing, everything. So weather people said to stay off the road if you can. Yeah, we really can't because we got to make a YouTube video. So here we are filming a YouTube video. I'm about to take the freaking side-by-side out. We're gonna take this beast out. Yeah, it's all ice, so I don't know. They just came up and plowed my road. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can see what's going on out there on the road. They said to stay off the road, but I got work to do. I gotta film YouTube videos. So I'm gonna get the GoPro hooked up. The audio might be trash, I don't know. So I'll do my best and see if we can pull somebody out. I got a 5,000-pound winch on this thing. And yeah, we're gonna check these roads out and maybe take this thing on the highway, right? I don't know, I'll catch you then. All right, let's go, baby. Woo! I got you guys mounted on my head. I don't know if you can see me in the mirror here, but yeah, I got a face mask on, so if the audio's trash, I'm sorry. So here we go. Sliding down a freaking mountain right now. This whole street is ice. So we'll change up the content a little bit, get the side-by-side out. For those of you that don't know, I've been riding off-road vehicles since I was literally 2 years old. Four-wheelers, dirt bikes, side-by-sides, razors, all that. So been doing this before I've been messing with cars. Hopefully I got this camera angle good for you guys, but oh man, I need to slow down. Freaking slide into oncoming traffic and die, imagine. At least there'll be a video of it. Woo! Yeah, it's supposed to like snow after this sleet, I guess. The sleet's gonna start, you know, once this is done, it'll start snowing. But fuck it. Are hella slick. Woo! I'm sliding. Woo. If I get this stuck though, I'm kind of fucked. Woo! Yeah, this thing's not that fast. It tops out at like 50. They're spinning already. Bro, these roads are terrible. Let's go down in this park. Do some skids or something. Woo! Woo! I'm sliding! Oh, hell yeah, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get you guys set up on a tripod and do some freaking donuts or something, dog.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, big lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space.
That was dope. So yeah, I'm the only one out here. Wonder why, Brett, dumbass. But yeah, let's get some B-roll of this thing. Roll the B-roll.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, then I push play.
Alright, enough horsing around. Let's see what else we can get ourselves into. Think we can make it up this hill? Oh yeah, we're sliding! This isn't really snow. This is like all sleet and ice. I guess with a little bit of snow mixed in, but it's mainly sleet and ice. Woo! Dude, I'm not hooking at all. Gotta stop for the red light, right? Ghost town out here. There's the highway. Dude, even the highway's fucked. Two-wheel drive right there. I need to stop so I can lock it again. I turned it off. All right, we're back in 4 now. Let's go ahead and back up. Fuck it. Let's go forward. As you can see, this is all ice, bro. Like, they can clear it as much as they want. It's not gonna do anything until they salt. Hey, brother! Let's follow him. Shit, is that Spectrum internet? Oh, hell no, you crazy, bro. Yeah, it's kind of sketch right here. One lane. See if Butley's home. I'm sure he is. Where else would he be? Ah! Ah! Think he's awake? Domino's.
Shut up.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I just came to deliver your pizza.
Yeah, where is it?
Saw cruising on. I met up with another side by side. I saw him come from McDonald's by Arnold. I was right there. And then I seen him. And then I just started following his ass. And he turned off of, what is this road right here? Tenbrook or something? He turned into a subdivision off there. But, you know, we've been chilling. Just cruising, making video. There ain't nobody out. I don't know why.
Oh, ice.
Yeah, like, that's what I was trying to say. Like, this is all sleet. You can hear it. It's not snow. It's all piled up.
Oh, crazy.
But, yeah, went cruising around and had to push the Miata out of the way. It was a bitch.
You going fishing?
Well, yeah, I got my pole just in case I want to go fishing. But,
Ice fishing?
yeah, do a little bit of ice fishing. Like, I pull my chainsaw out, though, so I won't be able to cut the ice. Yeah, you gonna get the 70s out?
No.
Why not?
No, I ain't busting that.
Wanna get the boat out? Nah, if I get pulled over, I was just gonna tell him that my mom went in a ditch and I had to pull her out right down the road. I'm gonna tell him I do it every year. I got my insurance card, so I don't have my wallet though.
Of course you don't.
I thought about it, I was like, damn, I don't have my wallet. I should probably turn around. And then I seen the other side by side. I'm like, well, they probably won't pull both of us over. But they might. Alright, I talked Brad into getting the little CT70s out, so we're gonna see if we can do some ice biking. What has it got, a 140 on it or something? 125? It's got a 125cc 4-stroke motor swap on it, so. Good old Honda. Alright, I'm about to die. Oh dang. Oh shit.
Taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my
yeah, we're back.
cause I'm not through. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can feel it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, damn it hurts me. I can feel all of the turbulence, it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, you get like no traction. Wonder why. You got a brand new tire on that thing? They put some spikes on it. Need a spike tire for winter. Hopefully that footage was good, but yeah, I'm probably gonna start working my way home. It's coming down pretty hard now. Whew. Like I said, this is all like sleet and ice. It's like not snow, man. I mean, what is that, an inch or two of freaking sleet?
Oh yeah.
So it's a slick one out here. I thought we were supposed to get mainly snow here though.
Supposed to be like an inch or so of ice, and then the rest is snow.
Is the snow supposed to come later or something?
Yeah, overnight.
Oh.
Wake up to
I woke up this morning and I was like, bruh.
Yeah, that's what I was like too.
I was like expecting freaking white everywhere, and I was like, what the heck? So yeah, I'm gonna work my way home. I'm gonna film it, but if you guys like this type of content, let me know. We can go do some more side-by-side stuff at off-road parks and stuff, but kind of saturated market, and I don't know, I'm just not really huge on them anymore. Maybe if I had another rock bouncer or something, it'd be way more fun, but this thing is more of the hunting bike and not trying to really total it rolling down a hill like I have my last couple side-by-sides. But I don't know, if you guys like this type of content, just let me know in the comments, and if you do, I'll just get another razor and we'll roll it down a couple hills, and if the videos suck, I'll sell it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember, bro, keep going. Peace.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till it hit.